Meaning of department.
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 Department. A department is a specific division within an organization that serves a distinct function. It may refer to a group of individuals who work together towards a common goal or a physical location where activities related to that function take place. Departments can exist in various types of organizations, including businesses, universities, and government agencies. The purpose of departments is to facilitate efficient management and coordination of tasks by grouping similar activities together and allowing for specialization. Effective communication within and between departments is essential for the success of any organization.